Hi everyone, it's Kino here. I'm in beautiful Hong Kong and the sun has just come out and we are here for another round of quick core. Come to a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes. Let your hands rest down. Check in with the quality of your breath. Notice how you're breathing. Check in with the body. Notice how your body feels. Check in with your mind and your emotions. Be aware of the texture of thought and feeling. Then allow yourself a deeper breath. And as you exhale, let's open the eyes. So as we move into these core sessions, it's important to remember that this is not really recommended for total beginners. If you want to start off, you're brand new to the practice, I have a lot of teaching that's really targeted to help you get started on your yoga journey. For example, the Yoga Is course is a great way to start your yoga journey. But if you're joining this quick core class, I'm assuming that you already have a foundation in the practice. So in other words, this is going to be a little bit hard. I don't lie, I tell the truth, so you can get ready for a challenge. All right, let's get right started. Now, I want you to roll your spine down, keeping your head up and the toes pointed. The belly draws in, hands under the head, and we'll stay here for 5 breaths. Squeeze your thighs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now bring the arms up. Inhale. Come all the way up. Now we're going to go up and down 5 times. Exhale, squeeze the thighs as you go down. Inhale, squeeze the thighs and your abs as you come up. Exhale, squeeze the thighs, belly inside. Inhale, come up. We're going to do 4 more. Exhale, roll it down. Inhale, squeeze your thighs, roll it up. Exhale, squeeze your thighs, roll it down. Inhale, roll it up. Let's do 2 more. Roll it down, squeeze the thighs, push into the toes. Exhale, roll it down, and let's hold. 1, squeeze the thigh. 2, tighten the butt. 3, 4, don't give up. 5, inhale, come up. Shake that out for a moment. Release the spine. Then let's roll it on back down. Pause for a moment. Look, the sun came out. Isn't that beautiful? Then let's aim now to bring a little rotation into the core work that we've been doing. So then let's draw the knees up, bring it up, hold it in, and then over. And we'll just hold this. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze the thighs a little. 4. Activate. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch. 1, hold it. 2, 3, keep it going. 4, 5, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch. 1. I can't remember which side we did first, so we'll have to do at least 1 more. 2, 3, keep it squeezed. 4, and switch. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and both knees in. 1, hug it in. 2, 3, belly inside. 4, 5, and exhale down. Rest for a moment. Shake out the spine. Lift the spine up a little bit and then press it down. Then let's pop the hips up onto the hands to make sure that your back is on the ground. Let's just lift the head up a little bit. Then exhale, lower the legs. Inhale, squeeze your thighs, come up. Exhale, lower the legs. Inhale, squeeze your thighs, come up. 5 more. Exhale, go down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, come up. We got 3 more. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, come up. Keep working. Squeeze it in. Go down. Inhale, come up. Last one. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lower all the way down. Ooh, we feel that nice tingly burning sensation in this area. Connecting in the work of your abdominal muscles with your legs, such a key, important lesson in working with your core in your yoga practice. Okay, let's bend the knees. And now let's again add in a little bit of torque and twists. So you're going to point the feet, activate the thighs, reach the arms up, inhale, come up, and then over to the side. Let's do left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, go down. Inhale, come up, over to the right. 1, 2, belly in. 3, 4. Exhale, go down. Inhale, come up, over to the left. 1, squeeze the thighs. 2, 3, 4. Exhale, go down. Inhale, come up, over to the right. 1, 2, 3, belly in. 4, 5. Exhale, go down. Ooh, I don't want to do another one, but I always like a set of 3. We should do it. Inhale, come up, exhale, over. 1, squeeze it in. 2, belly in. 3, 4. Exhale, go down. Ooh, last one. Up, over. 1, 2, squeeze it. 3, 4, 5. Ooh, that was a killer. Enjoy it. And just shake that out for a moment. Let's do a little release of the front body. Just easy, simple bridge. Just nice and easy. Release through the rib cage. Soften the glute muscles. And exhale, set it down. Great. Okay. So let's roll on up and inhale Navasana. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, go down. Inhale, come up 5 times. Exhale, go down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, go down. Squeeze the thighs. Inhale, come up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, come up. 2 more. Exhale, go down. Squeeze it. Inhale, come up. 2 more. Go down. Did I say that already? Come up. Let's just do 1 more. Last one. Go down. Come up. Hold it. Stay. 2. Stay. 3, 4. Cross your feet. Grab the blocks. Set up the blocks and let's pick it up. All right, I want you to give a big push from your shoulders and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, bring those blocks over to the side. I am feeling a nice burning sensation in this region, also in the thighs, and now just a tad bit in the shoulders. Your yoga practice, don't be afraid of working the body, but don't overdo it. Now let's add a little rotation, just like we did from the ground. It's going to be quite intense, okay? So, inhale Navasana. Exhale, twist the Navasana. 1, 2, 3, twist it in. 4, back to the center. Inhale, exhale, twist your Navasana. 1, 2, 3, back to the center. Cross your feet. Inhale, pick it up. Exhale. Now you want to keep using the blocks. It's all good. Again, 1, love the sun. 2, 3, 4, and twist it over. 1, 2, 3. Really use your legs. 4, center, switch. 1, I'm sweating. I hope you are too. 3, 4, center. Inhale, pick it up. Exhale, put it down. Last one. Center. 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the center. Pick it up. And let's go all the way back. Find your plank. Step it back, plank. 1, 2, 3, 4. Squeeze your butt a little. 5. Lift one leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2. Squeeze it in. 3, 4. Back to plank. Exhale all the way down. Rest for a moment. Inhale, upward facing. Release the hip flexors. Exhale, downward facing. From downward facing, let's bend the knees. Come on down. Bring your blocks over. I want to make the lift up in the next movement we do just a little bit easier. So we're going to use the blocks, which means we're going to do something real hard. I told you this class is going to be hard. What do you think? Is it hard? I think it's hard. So here we go. Navasana. Exhale, go down. Inhale, come up, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, go down. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's make it faster. Exhale, go down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, right side. Exhale, go down. Inhale, left side. Exhale, go down. Inhale, right side. Exhale, go down. Left side. Go down. Right side. Go down. Left side. Go down. Right side. Two more. Go down. Left side. Go down. Right side. Go down. One more. Left side. Go down. Right side. Hold it. Hold it. Knees in. Inhale. Pick it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And walk it back. Move your blocks to a good position. Plank. Find your plank. Chaturanga. Upward facing. Stay for a moment. Release your hip flexors. Downward facing. Oh, nice deep breaths. Okay, come down onto the knees. We're almost done. We're going to do one last thing. Since we worked the twisting or rotational core strength, then we're going to see about the possibility of a twisting arm balance, okay? Twisting arm balances require flexibility and strength, or what you could call dynamic flexibility, which means that you're activating while you're lengthening, which is not a very easy task to do. So expect this one to be a little bit hard, all right? So come up into a squat position with the balls of the feet on the ground, then roll your body over to the side. So keep it rolled, point the knees away. Then you're gonna stack the hands and then slowly lean forward. You're gonna come up, twisting, and then straighten the legs, all right? You're gonna bend the elbows and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, bend it in, come on back up. All right, how'd you do? That's a hard posture, okay? So the shoulders sometimes feel a little uneven there. Now that's all right. I'm gonna do the other side facing this way so you can see. We point the knees away and then you're gonna pitch your shoulders forward. All right, so we pitch them forward. And then take your body weight forward, extend, and then bend. And you keep twisting. 1, make sense? 2, belly in, squeeze abdominal muscles. 3, 4, and come on back down. Ooh, I feel a sweaty sensation. Let's go back, down, plank, chaturanga. Or all the way down. Inhale, upward facing, take a moment, release the hip flexors. Exhale, downward facing. All right, bend your knees, come on back to seated. Well, I hope you, like me, feel that fire. I definitely feel it. Close your eyes for a moment, just tune in. A nice deep breath. And then let's gently bring the hands together. Hands rest down. Notice your breath. Notice your body. Notice your mind and how that's shifted and changed. Feel the heart center, the vibration of the heart, the mind, the thoughts in the mind, planting the seeds of a happier, more peaceful life. Allow yourself a deeper breath. And as you exhale, open the eyes. Thanks so much for joining me on the practice today. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love. Namaste.